Tariki 15 mweri muhituku niguo magoti mahingirwo guku bururi-ini kurumirira gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19 kuria kwa ihinda riri macira makoretwo magithie na mbere nja wa magoti indi macira ma bata tu nomo makoretwo magitwarithio na mbere. Kuringana na Jaji munene David Maraga augite makoretwo makihuthira mitambo ya ukinyaniria kurekereria matua ma macira udumwe na kwandikithia macira meru maria ni mabata, akiongerera kuga ati no marathie na mbere na kurora uria honge itiganite ta njera maratwarithia na mbere haro ya kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19.
We have continued to monitor the situation regarding the spread of the virus in the country and also listen to our stakeholders regarding the impact of the scaling down on activities of the justice sector. We have also continued to closely monitor how each agency in the justice sector, including the prisons, the police, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and others have been implementing the mutually agreed measures.
Magoti magiaga kurorwo wega maga gukorwo mari ndaraca ya gutambia murimu uyu kuona macira maingi matingithie na mbere wakiri kana aira matariho na ningi watho wa guikara haraihu na mundu uria ungi ndungirumirirwo, akiuga giki nikio gitumi kiao gutua matua makwaga gucokereria magoti guku bururi-ini.
It is prudent to upscale court activities. It will not be wise to have open court sessions at this time. We must, however, emphasize that this does not mean that the courts have closed down, as some are want to claim. Court operations have never and will never be closed.
No onagukire uguo ekwirwo aria mari na macira maritu maguthie na mbere na gwikinya magoti-ini niguo gwitika thitango kuria borithi nao maguthie na mbere na kurekereria aria mathitangitwo ni macira manini na bodi, akiuga ni mahetwo kuhuthira mutambo wa Microsoft Word kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 hatari marihi iria iguteithiriria hanene hari gutwarithia na mbere macira.
Microsoft Word has kindly donated to us the application of Microsoft Teams for use for 6 months free of charge. And I have this morning given instructions to the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary to liaise with the Communication Authority to see how we can assist those areas, remote areas, to be able to access the use of technology.
Maraga ni athite na mbere na kuririkania Kenya gwithaitira ta uria mangihota udumwe na aria mangihota kurutira mawira mucii guthie na mbere na guikara micini yao. Ngiributira Kameme TV, rizora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Boro.